So the next looping trick we're going to work on is a trick called shoot the moon. This is when the yo-yo is actually coming up and then back up or over your head almost, and then comes back down. It looks like this. So I'm throwing out and up, out and up. This is honestly one of the hardest looping tricks you're going to learn. It takes a lot of time, a lot of control, and it's a little scary when you're first starting because the yo-yo is coming right up near your head. It almost looks like you're going to hit it, but to be honest, I've actually never hit myself doing shoot the moons. Doesn't mean you can't, but it's less likely you're going to actually hit yourself than hit your arm or something. So the motion starts with a forward pass, and instead of catching it, what you're actually doing is you're letting the yo-yo come toward your hand. At the last minute, you're kind of bailing out and shifting your whole hand up like that, which causes the yo-yo to shoot up into the air. Notice from this angle, as this yo-yo's coming up, my hand just shoots straight up like that. Watch my hand here. The hand comes right up. It helps control the yo-yo to the top of that string. I'm not even really throwing the yo-yo up, I'm just moving my hand up towards the ceiling. That's what's helping guide that yo-yo up towards the air. Some people will use their whole hand when they're doing this motion. Some people will just use their finger. I found it's a lot easier when I was first starting to use my hand. You'll notice the string's coming right over my hand. What happens is as the yo-yo is coming up, the string comes up over like that, and the yo-yo shoots right up into the air. The other way to do that would just be use your finger to then control it either up or shooting up like that. Another way you can try and practice is almost make like a saluting motion, just like that. And instead of as the yo-yo is coming toward your hand, you just want to actually raise it up, just like so. So watch my hand here. The hand just raises straight up. That's what helps propel the yo-yo up into the air. One more time. So like that. The yo-yo goes right up into the air. And shoot the moon again. It's up and then back out. Practice this a lot. It takes more practice than most of your other looping tricks, but it's one of the basics of looping. It's important to know as we move into two-handed. That's shoot the moon.